friends, welcome to Cool Ketchup. Today we are not going to see any recipe, but we are going to see health benefits of drumstick. That is Murungakai in Tamil, Nukekai in Kannada. So this is a drumstick. You can see it right here. We are inside the drumstick farm. Today I would like to explain the drumstick tree and its uses and its health benefits. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification to get my regular updates. Now we are seeing a drumstick, which is a matured one. Now many of us know about this drumstick tree and its parts actually, but people in city will not be knowing. For them it will be very useful. See here, it will be very thin noodle like structure. That is a young one, and you can see this, it is little bulged in the middle. That is pod of the drumstick, which is a matured one. Now I am showing you the flower. You can see it right here. See here, this is a moringa flower or drumstick flower. See how fresh it is. It resembles a taste of mushroom, and it will be used in curries, or it can be used for any parathas, or you can prepare soups and side dishes as well. You can see the bark here. Even with if you don't get leaves or flowers, also with that bark you can prepare soups. See here, this is how the leaves will be. This is moringa leaves. Come, let's see the benefits of each and every part of this tree. The drumstick tree is a softwood tree and it is native to India. We should be proud for that. And these trees are grown in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. But these drumstick, it is commonly called with many English common names for its various qualities such as moringa, drumstick tree, benzoyl tree, and horseradish tree. Actually, it is a fast growing, drought resistant and perennial vegetable tree. These trees are small to medium sized, of about 10 to 12 meters height. The trees start bearing parts from the 6th month after planting. So it is based on the rainfall, the flowering starts twice or throughout the year. This is how the farm will be. You can see it here. These drumsticks are packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, and it is loaded with vitamin A, B, C, D and E, as well as it is rich in minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, potassium, copper, iron, magnesium and silica. It also contains alpha linolenic acid, amino acids, omega-3 carotenoids, and also it is helpful for preventing our diabetes, protects your heart, reduces cholesterol levels, regulate your high BP levels, hypertension, protects your liver, and it is very good for your brain, and it treats asthma, boosts your digestive system, strengthen your bones, kidney as well as your teeth. Now we are going to see the health benefits of moringa leaves. You will not believe it is a magical and miraculous tree which heals many diseases. It is a medicinal agent which cures more than 33 diseases, and it is a very important and most useful medicinal plant in the world. See, it contains 7 times the vitamin C of oranges, 4 times the vitamin A of carrots, 4 times the calcium of milk, and 3 times the potassium of bananas, and 2 times the protein of yogurt. So it acts as a supplement for milk, yogurt and egg. It contains riboflavin, vitamin A and magnesium and vitamin B6. You can dry shade this moringa leaf powder and you can use it for kitchen while cooking. You can prepare parathas with this fresh leaves, which will give nice tasty to that parathas. You can prepare side dish or poriyal like this, which will also taste good, or even dal and fresh moringa leaves curry. With this leaves you can prepare even soups or herbal or green tea you can prepare, or with that powder you can prepare this soup also, which will be very tasty and healthy. Now we are going to see the health benefits of moringa flowers. It is more effective for treating infertility as it contains pterigospermin, which helps to strengthen and increases sperm count and motility of sperm. It also used as a supplement to increase the milk production for feeding mothers. So it is more effective. You can use it in any form like soups or side dishes like poriyal, or even fritters or vada like moringa flower vada you can have. It contains anti-obesity, anti-tumor, anti-cancer. It acts as an anti-analgesic. It acts as a neuroprotective, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial,
calcium, iron, vitamin and vitamin C. This moringa tree, it is very useful as it has more medicinal value, especially for weight loss, and it is rich in nutrient and it prevents many diseases. I hope you all understood this value now.
Okay friends, thanks for watching. I hope it will be very useful for you to know the health benefits of moringa drumstick as well as the drumstick flowers. If you like this video, please like, share and leave your comment in the comment box and share it to your friends. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please, if you are not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification so that you'll get my regular updates. Thank you. Thanks for watching.